So, Mr. Robert Hines, how did you hear about Gator Metal Roofing?
I was watching TV one day and I saw a commercial come on for Gator Metal Roofing, and once I indicated I was going to purchase a roof, I think all my materials arrived and they installed the roof within 10 days after I signed the documents and everything.
How many roofs have you had before your Gator Metal roof?
This is the third complete roof I have put on my house since I've been here. I've had shingle roofs before, and when wind comes, shingles blow off and they wear out, and the weather, the heat takes effect on shingles, and eventually you have to replace them. So I said I'm going metal this time, so it'll be one and done, never no more.
What has been some of the advantages of your Gator Metal roof?
The main advantage is I will never have to buy another roof. With Gator Metal Roofing, got a lifetime warranty, guaranteed not to rust nor fade. And once again, about the lifetime warranty, it's the last roof I'll ever have to buy. That's why I went with Gator Metal Roofing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, Mr. Hines.